Hi everyone, this is Vinnie with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful Excel tools out there. Today I want to show you how a client of ours, a home healthcare provider, streamlines visits to their patients using our Excel Reverse Geocoder. So every day, their caregivers and nurses travel to clients' homes with GPS devices that record latitudes and longitudes, also known as geocodes, but they do not record the address. So turning those coordinates into real addresses used to involve very manual lookup process in mapping software and also typing them by hand. So this was a very slow and error-prone process. So the client, they downloaded our Excel Reverse Geocoder, and that made the process so much simpler. So right now what they do is they open the Excel file, they paste the latitude and longitude, coordinates of each visit, and then click calculate. The tool connects to Google Maps behind the scenes and then looks up those geocodes, the latitude and longitudes, and fills in and generates full street addresses and city names for each row, for each geocode, instantly and accurately. Here's how they do it, and I can kind of show you step by step. First, they paste a list of latitudes and longitudes pairs collected during their mobile visits through their GPS software. They paste that, and then second, what they do is they click calculate into our reverse geocoder. And third, the Excel automatically generates the full addresses for each client, including house number, street, and city. This makes creating visit logs, client records, and billing reports so much faster for them. No more manual address lookup and hunting, no more copy and paste errors, especially those geocodes, the altitude or the latitude and the longitudes are pretty hard to enter manually. Since it works entirely inside Excel, there is no need to open another program, and also no need to install another program. It is especially powerful when working with large batches of data. What once took hours now takes minutes, and one-time purchase price, and there is no ongoing fees. So if your team uses GPS or has latitudes and longitudes, has geocodes that they need to convert to actual addresses, the Excel Reverse Geocoder is exactly what you need. It will save you time, reduce errors, and help you deliver a better service and experience to your employees and to your clients. Download it today and experience how quickly Excel can turn coordinates into accurate, usable addresses for your entire workflow. If this video helped you, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a lot of our other videos and other new products that we're constantly creating for clients like you. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.